second graders, Mrs. Ishams here. We are going to do 15.3 and we are going to watch our video on centimeters. All right, let's get started. Words to know, say it. Words to know. Centimeter, say it.
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Paperclip.
Paperclip.
Paperclip. Ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler. And cube.
Cube.
I sure hope you're saying the words with me.
You can measure the length of an object in centimeters.
You can measure the length of objects in centimeters. Yesterday we learned how to measure objects, the lengths of objects in inches. Today we are going to learn about centimeters.
What objects can you think of that are about 1 centimeter long?
Okay, I want you to stop and think. What objects are about 1 centimeter long? What about the tip of your pencil? Could that be about 1 centimeter long? What else? The width of a pen, or a marshmallow maybe? One of those mini marshmallows?
Some objects that are about 1 centimeter long are your fingernail and a blueberry.
A fingernail and your blueberry.
Look at the end of the cube.
Okay, so remember, when we are measuring, we always want to line up with the 0, the end of the ruler. Okay, the end of the cube is right here.
Between which two numbers on the ruler does the cube end?
Between which two numbers? We have a 1 and a 2. It's not quite to the 2 yet, though.
The cube ends between 1 and 2 centimeters on the ruler. To measure to the nearest centimeter, look for the halfway mark.
So we're going to be about how many centimeters? We're going to have to look at the halfway mark if it's not exactly. So here's the halfway mark here. It's the next longest line. And here's the half right there.
It is halfway between 1 and 2 centimeters. If the object is longer than halfway, use the greater number.
So if it's longer than halfway, which this is, you are going to use a greater number. So it's going to be about 2 centimeters long.
The greater number is 2. The cube is about 2 centimeters long.
Cube is about 2 centimeters long.
How do you know the cube is about 2 centimeters long?
Well, if we look at it, it's longer than the halfway mark.
It is longer than the halfway mark between 1 and 2 centimeters. Now look at the end of the paperclip.
Okay, see how they lined it up to the 0, at the beginning of the ruler. Here's the end. Draw an imaginary line. How long is the paperclip in centimeters?
Between which two numbers on the ruler does the paperclip end?
So here's the end of our paperclip. It's in between the 3 centimeters and the 4 centimeters.
The paperclip ends between the 3 and 4 centimeter marks on the ruler. Is the paperclip longer or shorter than the halfway mark?
Well, here's the halfway mark, and here is our end of our paperclip. It's shorter.
The paperclip is shorter than the halfway mark.
So what would it be? Would it be about 3 centimeters long or about 4 centimeters long?
If the object is shorter than halfway, use the lesser number.
So we use a lesser number. What number would that be?
The lesser number is 3.
3.
This paperclip is about 3 centimeters long.
Okay.
Now you know how to measure the length of an object in centimeters.
In centimeters. Okay. Awesome. We are going to go work on our magazine here for 15.3. Now, you should have your ruler that we have given you in your packet. Now, if you do not have that ruler, if you have already lost it, you may use this paper ruler up here. Also, if you don't have the paper ruler, if you turn your pinky to the side, it is about 1 centimeter. So if you're just guesstimating, it's guessing, I'm just making up a word, centimeters, so you can use the side of your finger. That's about. But I would rather you use your ruler here. Just like yesterday, I had you pick out 2 items for each 1 inch, 6 inches, and 12 inches. Today, I would like you to find 2 items. So I'm going to write it down. 2 items that are about 1 centimeter, 2 items that are about 10 centimeters, and 2 items that are about 100 centimeters, okay? Now, it doesn't have to be exactly, it just needs to be close to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters, and 100 centimeters. Got it? Now, let's look at the inside. You have to estimate first. Estimate means guess. Oh, good job, second graders. And then you're going to actually measure it with your ruler. Now, if you do not have these types of items, like if you do not have a stapler at home, then find another item, just cross it off and write the item that you measured here. Then you estimate first. You guess first how long it's going to be. Then you measure. Now you do not measure and then you put your guess down. That's not valid. It's not true. You'll be cheating there, okay? So you always guess and then you measure. Same with this side. If you do not have a chair, scissors, or a pencil, cross it off, write the item that you guessed and measured in centimeters. Now, if you're looking at your ruler, this is actually going to show you, she doesn't have a ruler. Ooh. Here, on your ruler, you should have one side that is inches, the bigger one, inches, and the other side is centimeters, smaller. So I always think inches with your 2 fingers, centimeter, the side of your finger. Got it? Can you remember that? All right, I will let you go. Do the rest of your magazine together and make sure, or on your own. And if you have any questions, please just give us a holler and we would love to help you. Like always, we miss you like crazy and we hope you have a fabulous day. I will talk to you later. Bye.